Hello friends, and this is CA Rajiv Katlawala once again, and I presume you have already watched my last week's video, that is the video which was dated 5th of July 2019, and there we have observed, we had indicated that the markets are under selling pressure. We were here somewhere that day, and we had indicated that the markets are under selling pressure, and that is exactly how the current week panned out. As you can observe, the price tested the support of 11,460 on the Nifty, and which is also the trend line value which we had drawn a couple of weeks back. If those of you who have not seen that video, they can definitely go through that video first and then come back to this video. And as we are observing that the prices have taken support at the trend line and given a couple of days of rebound. Of course, you have also seen, I will just expand this chart so that you can see the exact levels more properly. This was the trend line which we have drawn, the dotted line which we have indicated earlier also, that 11,625 was a crucial level which was to be watched, and we have already broken that in this current week. As you have observed today, that is on Friday 12th of July, the markets gave a rebound in the morning and they touched a high of 11,640 levels, which was the level of the trend line, the dotted trend line which you are observing. This also confirms one more theory of price analysis, and that is that the trend line which was giving support to prices earlier, once it is broken in a subsequent upward movement, the same trend line will give resistance to prices. Therefore, supports become resistances, and converse is also normally true, that is, the resistances will become supports. So friends, right now we have in this week we have closed negatively, and today's closing, that is Friday's closing, is 11,552, and we are very much near to the crucial support level, support line, the trend line, which is right now placed at 11,492. So in the next week I expect that we will have some more selling pressure, especially if the indices break the level of 11,490, and of course on the upper side also we might want to keep some level in mind, and that would be 11,700 will be the level to watch for on the upper side. If that is taken out, that is, if that is broken on the upside, then we may have some small rebound further, and that would take us to nearer to around 11,787.90 levels. So, but I think 11,700 will be a difficult level for the markets to break on the upside. So we have to watch these levels, as I said, 11,700 on the upside, but more importantly 11,490 on the downside. If that is broken, then we will have a further sell-off, and we will go back to the retracement level, the first retracement level of 11,280. Those of you who have seen my last video, that is on 5th of July, we have actually drawn the retracement levels, and I have also indicated the method of drawing the retracement levels. I hope you have liked those videos also, the earlier ones. If yes, then please do hit the like button, and also share this video with your friends. So yes, so coming back to the next week's working, below 11,490 we would expect the prices, the indices, to go nearer to 11,300 levels, which is, as I said, the 38.2% retracement. Uh, Believe me, friends, that is a very important level, not only because it is a retracement level, but because it is a long-term support line which we had drawn right from the low of 10,000. So this is a very, very crucial week, and we should observe whether the prices take support at 11,280 or not. If that support is broken, maybe next week or maybe in the subsequent week, then we should technically assume that the upward trend from 10,000 to 12,000 has ended, and we will see some further correction in the next few days. So friends, I hope this video has helped you in understanding the market movement as of right now. As you are already observing this, that we are giving all of these analysis only mainly for the purpose of education and academic purposes. So please do not use this as a recommendation to either buy or sell. You must take your own decisions for that, and you must take your own judgment as to whether you want to buy or sell in this market. As I said, this is a very broad analysis of the markets. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you have liked this video, please hit the like button, and also share it with your friends. Thank you very much for patient listening, and thank you very much. Best of luck for the next week.